Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you AI features that you can use in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened Filmora application on my computer, and as you can see, I have imported my video to this project. And the first one, I'm going to show you the free AI features that you can use in Filmora. Okay, you can go to this video menu right here guys. Okay, and you can go to the AI tools, and these are the AI tools that you can use for free. The AI portrait cutout, you can use the free cutout. Okay, this is the free feature. And video denoise, but it's not AI. This one AI video enhancer, but it's not free. You need credits to use the AI video enhancer. And I'm going to go to the color menu. Okay, and here you will see AI color palette. It's free. You can use color palette here. You can add palette and you can use the color palette from the video or photo. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the audio menu right here guys, and here you can use AI denoise, and it will help you to enhance your audio, and it's free. And then the next one, I'm going to show you the AI which needs credits. So you need to buy credits to use the AI. I'm going to go to the stock media, and here you will be able to use a VO3 to generate a video from image. But of course it needs credits, and you can also use text to video. Okay, and AI image here. Okay, you can use video inspiration as well to generate a video using AI. And then when you go to the audio menu, you will see AI audio. So you will be able to generate audio with AI guys. You just need to choose the mood here and the theme and also the genre, and you can generate the AI music. And then when you click on your video, you will see AI translation, AI vocal remover, and AI object remover. And yeah, that's so cool. But for all these features, you need to buy credits. It's not free. The free one are the AIs here on the basic editing, but for the advanced editing you need to buy credits. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.